guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a potting video, but also an unboxing. I've been putting off potting this. Well, I got it the other day because I was trying to see if I would find some baby toes, but I haven't found them, anywhere nearby, so I can't purchase them. But I just want to show you these beautiful lithops that I got from Facebook, Succulent Market, from Angela Reyes. They're so beautiful. The colors are very different than what I have. Mine are all pretty much like green, just plain green. This has a bright green, purple, pink, brown, so many beautiful different colors. So I've been waiting to make a video like this in a while. I've been wanting to make a weirdo arrangement. So those are really nice. I got those for $10. So I thought that was a great deal. So I would put her name down below and just have you look out for when she posts on Succulent Market, or you can message her. But it's how difficult to put a link because there's not like a link, Now to help out, because this pot is pretty big, and then it has the sides here that would get filled up with soil, and the plants that I'm using, they don't need that much soil, so that means when I water it would take a long time for all that soil to dry. So I have placed some styrofoam here on the side to take up some space in the pot, and I'm going to add extra surface to this, just to give them a good chance. So as usual, for now, the stuff that I use has not changed. I use Miracle Grow cactus oil because that's what's available to me, and turquoise. Ugh, the powder is getting all over me. So I'm gonna gently try to fill this in. And yes, the pot has a drainage. I think many people sometimes don't notice drainages in my pots, and they'll write to me and ask me if I have drainage or why didn't I. Sorry, the soil is very dry, so it's like going up my nose. Okay, so they'll ask me why didn't I have drainage in the pot, and I'll be confused, but I guess sometimes they don't realize it. This also has some pumice because one of the planter box that I took out had a lot of pumice in it, and I made a mixture with that soil and new soil, so there's pumice in here as well, but I don't have any pumice on hand right now. This is a really cute pot. I really like it. We're gonna try to pack this as much as we can. Even if they're not in the mimicry family, but they're a different plant, more on the weird side, it's gonna go in here. I'm calling it my weird plant arrangement. So I was definitely one of these. Believe it or not, I left this in the front porch and I forgot about it. When I forgot about it, kept putting off and bringing it inside. So they did get some water, so I don't know, maybe, I'm assuming that's why these are like this. So when I pull it out, I'll be able to inspect it better. Also, might put these in there. And obviously the new lithops. Right, because they don't get more weird than that. My sister thinks that they're totally weird. She can't stand to look at them. this variegated tiger's, I think, claw or jaw. I can't remember. What else? I thought I had more. No? Was that it for my weird stuff? No. Well, I mean, let's see. If I have room to put a cactus in there, I might. So we'll just see. Let me just start working with what I have and decide what I want to do. Because I haven't put much thought into it yet. These remind me of the baby toes. I feel like they're called something similar, like the nickname, but I can't remember. But this is the original name. It's part of the Mimicry family. So that's that. It's going to be hard to start because I don't know how stuff is going to look. So I don't know where to start. This is going to be this one will be a little bit more difficult. A little leaf fell. Maybe this would look good here. When you add, look at that. This leaf just fell. When you add, oh, come back here. No, my stuff is just falling. That one was broken. Okay. When you add more drainage to the soil, it's a little bit more difficult to handle. It won't stay in its place. Okay, I think that's good. And then this one here. Let's see if I can do it without messing that one up. Try to be gentle as I can. I want these very tight. This is flopping over. Needs more soil. There we go. This one as well. Start pushing it in there like this. Okay. There we go. And this one. I need something else to put in here. I do. Hold on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put my new domino cactus in there. She's a beauty. I hope this one does not get scales like the other one. I'm very finicky about stuff. I don't know what you would call me. If something's supposed to look a certain way, if something's considered damage, it bothers me a little bit. So some people might not care. It doesn't bother them that their plants have scales, but it bothers me to the point where I consider even like not having it no more. I know that's bad, but it's the truth. Okay. I gotta take some out. Okay, that is really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna try to see which way is the best way to place these. I would like the itty bitty ones to be all the way in the front here. Okay. These are so cute. So I guess that's a... Yep, that's it. I have a little space here. Maybe if I ever get the baby toes, I can fit it in there. So that's perfect. I feel like that's what's actually missing. So I'm just gonna wait to find that. I'm gonna clean it up and then come back here and show you what it looks like. So here it is. You know, I never know if I'm gonna like it in the end until I dress it up. I feel like when I dress it up, it makes it come together, and I really like it. I can tell you, I don't know if you can tell by the, let me just dust some of these off. If you can tell, this is a big brush. If you can tell by the tone of my voice that I was like a little bit unsure of what it was gonna look like. But now, after I dressed it and I put it together, I really like it. So I still have this space. I don't know. If I get the baby toes, I'll squeeze it in there and take this rock out. I really like it. I don't know what type of rock this is. This is not the regular lava rock that I have. This rock was mixed in with some other rock that had, that was in a pot that I got for free. So I really like the way it looks. Let me just show you guys a really close look of it. I love it. I hope you guys like it. Now, here is this little, let me zoom out. This is like a ketchup bottle. You can get these at Dollar Tree. Sometimes in the greenhouse, well, most of the time in the greenhouse, I use this to water my plants. I said it before, because those plants are in the greenhouse and more humidity, there's more humidity in there and there's less airflow. I do not soak my pots. No matter how dry they are, I do not soak them. I just give them a good drink, and you know, that's it. So I don't soak my pots. But if your pots are outside, I think they'll do well, because my pots are outside and they get rained. I do not water the plants. None of the plants that you see outside, I do not water any of those. I let nature take care of them. So obviously when we have torrential downpour, they get it, you know. So whatever happens, and they're okay because there's airflow, you know, so they can deal with it. But inside my greenhouse, I could not do that. So but what I'm gonna do, because of these lithops, their roots, you know, were not in soil for quite a while. I'm gonna just give it a little drink, guys, a little drink. I'm gonna put it here to the corner, see, like that. That's just gonna wet the roots, and that's it. That's it, no more. See, all the water's still there. I'm just wetting the roots. I'm still new to lithops. I have not had them in a long time. I have a bowl over there that I'll show you guys that I had for a while. Just let me finish showing you this one, and then we'll go over there. Look at how beautiful it turned out. Okay, now let's head on. I've had this, I want to say, more than 6 months, and here's one splitting, and only one flowered for me. And you see, when they start to wrinkle like this, that's when I give it a little bit of water. Again, I don't soak my pots. I give it a little bit of water, and I don't get water in the cracks. I try to go on the sides, and I just give it a little bit of water because that's, you know, they're in my greenhouse, so they can't handle a bunch of water. And so far, they have not died. So, I mean, that's all I can share with you. I don't know. I'm not an expert. Many of these plants I'm learning as I go. So, please don't think that I know more than you guys. I'm learning just as you guys are learning, and you might know something that I don't know. So, and also, when you guys ask me questions, you need to keep in mind of what I might know based on my climate, based on how my plants are thriving, but where I live. See, it's not the same up north as it is in Florida. There's more humidity here. So it's very hard for me to tell you, you know, how much to water. I'll try my best to answer your questions based on what you're telling me, but it is a little bit difficult, you know, because there's so much to take in consideration. But I'll try my best. And yeah, and I take all the advice that you guys give me too. Any knowledge that you guys have, I take it. So just wanted to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.